following message is transmitted at the request of the Illinois State Police. At the request of the Riverdale Police Department, the Illinois Amber Alert notification system has been activated. 4 children were abducted from 13609 South Low Avenue, Riverdale, Illinois around 1:37 this morning. Nolan Hill is a black 7-year-old boy who weighs 54 pounds and has brown eyes and black hair. Nolan is wearing black t-shirt and jeans. Nova Hill is a black 7-year-old girl who weighs 64 pounds and has brown eyes and black hair. Nova is wearing a blue jacket and blue jeans. Noah Hill is a black 8-year-old boy who weighs 60 pounds and has brown eyes and black hair. Noah is wearing a green hoodie, black pants and blue shoes. Nia Hill is a black 10-year-old girl who weighs 90 pounds and has brown eyes and black braided ponytail hair. Nia is wearing an orange t-shirt and black joggers. The children were in the back seat when Austin Bell, a 30-year-old black male, was observed driving off in the vehicle. The vehicle is a silver 2010 Acura MDX with Illinois license FE 60619. Anyone with information should call 911. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Illinois State Police. The Amber Alert issued by the Riverdale Police Department has been canceled. The children have been recovered, though the offender remains at large.